Hello Aries, so this is your general overview for 2021. These are general readings, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading, you just get an idea of what's coming in 2021, opportunities in career, business, money, or relationship, family, love. So whatever the cards come out. So it will be a 10 card spread and we'll see what's there for you. Then we can, as usual, go monthly and weekly. So I will come out with an career, business, money reading separately after this, after this series. All the 12 zodiac signs I'm done. So let's start, Aries. So general overview. Aries. Universe and guides, spirits and guides, please guide. So 3 shuffles. So last shuffle. Okay, so let's start here, Aries. It's the card. So this is 4 of Swords. So this is a card of relaxing, being at ease, blessings. This is also a card of blessings, rejuvenation, revival. So reinvention. So 4 of Swords, great energy. So I feel this year is gonna be a little easier for you in terms of your workload, in terms of pressure. That's what I get with the first card. Much easier and comfortably, comfortable work atmosphere. That's what I get. 4 of Wands, great. The Devil, the 8 of Swords, the 6 of Wands, the 7 of Wands, the Star, the King of Swords, the 10 of Cups, wow, great, and the Queen of Pentacles. So Aries, you have it all here. So as I already told you, this card 4 of Swords, slightly, you will not be into the kind of pressure you have seen in 2021, that fiery ambition and lot of pressure at work. It's gonna be a little easier this year. 4 of Wands, so lot collaborations, associations happening, deals going through, celebration with family and friends, coming together of family and friends, reconciliations, also marriage for some of you. So some of you might marry in the first quarter of this year 2021, and it's gonna be divinely blessed. Good time, good time to get married. Good luck by your side. Also some of you could invest in property or buy a home for yourself or an apartment. Here someone could either come and to live with you, or you could go to someone. You could so sorry. So it is like going to live with someone, or someone coming to live with you. So all these. Also you could purchase a luxury car, or at least a 4-wheel, a car. It could be luxurious, super luxurious, or differently it will resonate to all of you here. The Devil card. So Devil card is like, there could be a little here what I get is, if you are having you have to be aware of not indulging into drinking and other substance abuse kind of a situation. You have to have control over that. That is what I get with this the Devil card. Also there could be someone's toxic in and around. It could be in your relationship, it could be around your office or the people you work in, which could give you a little stressed out situation here. You see here Devil with the 8 of Swords. You will or you could be in a toxic relationship. Some of you could be in a toxic relationship or a third party situation. I hope you understand what is third party. Like when you're already committed to someone and still either you or someone is again having an affair with someone else here. So that's a third party. So you could fall for that. So beware of that. Also, it could cause toxicity later. It could cause it will be stressful, and later on, it could cause depressive, negative, and self limited. This is like self binding energy. So give it a thought before falling in such toxic relationship. Maybe knowingly, unknowingly, there could be someone either approaching you or you approaching someone. So just this is just for guidance. Beware of this energy here. uh, in your office, not necessarily always it could be a love thing. There could be a toxic person who could be greedy. There could be somebody who's very greedy, or who could there could be a boss who is too dominating for you. So you have to handle these situations here. Who's obsessed with work and targets and could give you sleepless nights. So beware of those energies here. And Do not do overthinking. That's what, no, it will give you a lot of stress, but do not go into overthinking. This is being stuck in your head about the situation. Practice yoga, meditation, and other relaxation techniques. And also you need to come out of this situation, and you will come out because you have this Six of Wands. So if you are presently, or you will still be few months in this energy, later, so you will come out victorious. Six of Wands is a card of victory after obstacles, challenges, victories. This is a short-term victory wherein you have crossed all the hurdles and obstacles and come out victorious. That's what I see here. So maybe a new job for some of you, leaving a toxic situation at a job or a partnership or a business or a relationship for that matter. It will resonate differently for all of you here. Six of Wands is also a card of promotion, getting, it's a raise in your status. It is raise, you will be seen more. If you are into creative fields, you will be seen more. You will get more visibility here. So rise in status, rise in income, that comes with this card here. New job, and promotion or a hike for some of you here, getting lot of praises and applaud and appreciation. That comes with this card here. So then you have this Seven of Wands. So you will have to defend. At times you will have to defend your position to being at the top, Aries, but you will do it well. There could be, again I told you, there could be office politics played, or there could be somebody who could challenge you or have, who could give you challenges, but you will come out victorious. General good fortune I see here, likely to begin on a very, very positive note. Although there are challenges during this mid 2021, but you will be in control. You will come out victorious here. There will be growth in your finances. There is going to be already growth in your finances, your stature. You will become more prosperous in 2021 than you were in 2020. That's what I say here. Long-term investments will yield better results. Do not go for investments which is like too good to be true kind of short-term investments. Be very careful with that. But long-term investments will really do here. You will also gain focus and concentration this year, especially with the students. Students will do well. You will have more retention power. Your concentration power will increase, but you will need to hard work. Some of you will be joining some international universities for higher studies, going abroad or within your own country in a different state here. Definitely for job also, I see some of you relocating, Aries, here to a different location, change of residence or relocation. So looks to be great. Also some of you, there will be a major wish fulfillment in the second half of the year. That's, I tell you, with this star card, something you have been hoping for quite some time to materialize, maybe from 2020 or even before that. Suddenly you could see there will be a major wish fulfillment here coming to you. King of Swords, this is your energy. You will be focused, you will be clear, you will be analytical, you will be intelligent. You will be very clear thinking, and you will be on the right path. So this is the path to success in your job, career, finances, for everything. Also, I feel some of you, might want to be victorious and not be tied up with this family issues, your family domestic scene all the time. You would want to freedom, some of you now again. So this could cause a little complication in your family life here, because you want to be independent, you want freedom, you want to go out and adventure. You could just be a little I can say lazy, or not giving that importance to your domestic duties. Could cause a little conflict with your spouse or your family here. But overall, generally, it's a 10 of cups. So happiness, contentment, good wish. That's what it said. Like total happiness. That's what I see here. Married life overall will be good, Aries. That's what I see here. Queen of Pentacles. So you are, Aries is known fire signs, but you are Queen of Pentacles. So it's like, if you are a female Aries, so you definitely are balancing your duties, professional and personal life, together. You are caring, you will be caring, nurturing, even if you are a male. But here there are certain aspects, some male Aries would want to go out or adventure. There it is a little conflicting, but with the female, very nurturing, caring, towards home and family, also making the right investments, right investments. Money will be coming from various sources here, because you have made the right investments, because you have you are very analytical, and you will be taking some short risks, like which will, it will not be like the risk I told you. Do not take those kind of risks. Some small risks, maybe in the stock market, that will get you some gains. That's what I can hear. Or a real estate buying, selling, so you will get a good profit margin there. So Queen of Pentacle, nurturing, caring, balancing, and you will be very good at negotiations and getting a profit, getting deals and profit for your company or for yourself here. You might go out on holiday, travel abroad with family, in 2021. Either you could visit your own country, different locations, or travel with family for holidays. Overall, it's a good and a positive year, Aries. So this is what I get here. I hope I haven't left. Only just be aware of this toxic energy, the devil with the 8 of. Do not go into that pessimistic mode. Be positive. Think positive. So that positivity will attract success. That's what I would tell you here. Yeah, so this is it, general overview. I hope you like the video, and if you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed. We'll come up with the career, money, business reading. You can have a look at the video, and thank you so much once again.